All right, today Project Carrot Cake gets an upgraded exhaust over that stock factory one. Uh, it's not going to really improve anything. It's just going to give it this really nice 4-chrome tip look, which is probably a little more than it needs. But there's some issues with the stock exhaust, and we're gonna upgrade to this. While we're doing this upgrade, we're also going to be bypassing the heater boxes with these J pipes, which are also from EMPI. And you can purchase this kit and do this on your van, right from EMPI. It comes with some hardware. There's other options. You could get a ceramic coated version of this if that's what you choose. We went for the budget version. In doing this, we're hoping just to get a little throatier sound from our big engine and the looks that we're looking for, plus resolve some issues with the factory exhaust. Okay, we've got our factory exhaust removed. I was actually surprised at how heavy this stock muffler and these heater boxes are. As I said, we'll be replacing them with this aftermarket EMPI model. It's not a high-end, but it's definitely lighter. It's going to give us the look we're wanting, and hopefully it's going to sound pretty good. These J pipes that are going to bypass our heater boxes, substantially lighter than the heater box versions. We're going to install these as a way to resolve some of the exhaust issues that we've been having. This is a fair weather flyer, and this customer has other means of defrosting the windshield. We don't recommend removing the heater boxes and this defrost system if you don't have another option for heating and defrosting. So now that that system's removed, let's get our brand new aftermarket exhaust installed.